Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Dong-wook and Jo-bo's fortune harmony analysis. They had very different fortune structures, but they matched it well. I analyzed their fortunes at the request of a YouTube subscriber. What kind of structure is it? Let's analyze it together. Dong-wook is a mountain pointing to himself. Jo-bo is a beautiful tree. Doesn't the big mountain look good with beautiful trees? And the pink heart under the letter pointing to themselves is their perception of their spouse. Dong-wook's spouse is well placed in the spouse's position. His spouse is a smart woman who does her part well. And you can see that they are in love with each other because they are allied with his spouse. Jo-bo recognizes her spouse as a person who loves herself. And to the right of this letter, there is a letter that means a spouse, which shows that she is very loved by her husband. It looks good and it's cool. This picture is a little complicated, but it's simple if you look closely. Dong-wook has the same energy as himself. Confidence and drive are the best. And he has a very strong artistic temperament. And this energy also means the personality of being nice to the spouse. He is a person who values his art and his people very much. Jo-bo has a very good flow of energy. It's neat. And the way the energy of the word meaning man flows to her means that she is loved by man. Especially, Jo-bo has all the important energy in her fortune. So it's a very good fortune. Life is a happy fortune. Their score has gone up a lot, but I'll give them only 85% of the points because I've cut them so hard. There's a big age gap between them too. If they had a small age difference, their score would be very high. Please don't misunderstand this analysis because I only analyzed it with their fortune. Although I don't know their actual situation, I analyze and upload the fortune you requested in order. Be happy and healthy, both of them. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.